Alright, man. Enough of that. I know y'all tired of hearing me talk. Y'all want to get straight to the business. Here we go. What's up, my good car people? The do-it-yourselfers. Don't want to pay no company. No collision repair. No auto mechanics. Nobody. I'm doing this for you. But anyway, let me be the first to apologize. The only one to apologize. I didn't start filming until pretty much after the fact. So I didn't take you through step by step on the process of rebuilding a wrecked car from the front. Frontal impact. So, yeah, man, that's my bad. You gotta understand, this Texas heat is a beast. So, pretty much get mad at anybody. I don't like my phone on ring. I just don't. I prefer to be left alone while I'm already agitated while destroying a car, fixing a car. So pretty much this what I'm about to show you is kind of similar on similar vehicles and kind of diverse. A lot of different vehicles have different components and parts, and this one right here is pretty much GM. So almost any GM, you can follow the same format because they have tech wheels and not bolted on core supports, radiator, AC condenser core supports. So you pretty much have to go in on them tough, like Altimas and Maximas and the Tahoes and the Sierras and the Silverado, so on and so forth. They have both on. Just snatch them off, snatch the bolts off, and then snatch off the all of this. This is the core support. All of this came from the donor car. So as you know, it's just cut and paste, measure, cut. But you use the tack wheels, the drill spots, drill holes. You use those as reference points and your guide, because all of them are almost identical in the tack wheel. So you drill a hole, you drop it in there, you get it welded, or you use self-tapping screws, whatever you decide. But like I was saying, it was economically better for me to do it the way that I'm doing it now, and that's to use a donor car, cut, copy, and paste. That's how I do it. But like I said, it's more logical to get the good motor dropped into a good body versus cutting and all this other stuff. But to me, it didn't take long. I am maybe 5 hours into this car total over a 3-day span. 5 hours, and that's with changing the throttle body, changing the plastic intake that was all busted up. It taking no time, drilling everything out. I do it real fast. But too bad I couldn't show you like before I started. Then you'll pretty much understand it. But man, I hope it helped you somehow. Maybe I just show you where I cut it. The reason I cut so far back is gave me more leeway. I got enough room to play with. Either I can go back some more. You can't go forward anymore. So you have to cut enough out so you can go back some. Same thing on this side. I went back further on this one because on the wrecked car, the crease was approximately right here. So I had to go over the crease, exceed the crease, just so I can have enough room to play with. But yeah, man, that's the gist. You see, this one has been wrecked before, but it wasn't bad. Okay, let me explain some things. Everybody knows that I sell cars independently. I'm a beast. Now, the reason that I will buy a donor car is because it's cheaper. You know, you could buy a donor car for like $250, $200, $300, $400, $500. All right, parts alone would pretty much exceed $500. So why not buy a car that has all the parts on it already and then utilize it? You know, of course, it's more work, but you save a shit ton of money. Now, this is how I do it. I paid $350 for this Cobalt that only has 100,000 miles on it and only had frontal damage. Now, there's no way in hell, no way I'm finna pass up a vehicle, a 2009 with only 100,000 miles on it. Nah, I need that. Come on in. I'm coming to get it. And I paid, ironically, I paid $400 for the donor car. I didn't like the $400 part. You know, I was trying to get $300, but anyway, I still make my money up. Because if you buy a donor car, pay attention. You will get your money back partially off the donor card. Pay $400, take it to the scrapyard. After you dissect it, you will get approximately $200 for the body, maybe $75 for the converter, and some odd change for the battery. You know, if it's a good battery, you know, all the aluminum on the motor. Even though the motor is all aluminum. So you pretty much get your money off that. The motor and transmission, as you can see. Yeah, as you see, that is all aluminum. You will get your money back. And plus you get the parts that you need. So it's a win-win. So basically you will be minus $600 maybe into 2 vehicles. Genius, right? And then you can turn around and sell the one you planning on selling for $3,500, $4,500. Do you understand my profit margin? $3,900 profit. 3 days of work. Exactly. That's why I do it. So I just broke it down for you. I gave you trade secrets. I don't tell nobody this shit. Because if everybody do it, how am I gonna make money? Then I have to start selling cars cheaper. I don't want to. I'm already selling them dirt cheap, you know, like way below Blue Book trade-in value. So I'm a farewell in this. Like I said, I'm just trying to be helpful, man. Make it easy for somebody that's trying to do what I do. Or do it the way they want to do it, you know. Maybe you just take my pointers. I don't know, man. You like it, you subscribe, you comment below, tell me what's up. You want to know anything? I know a lot of car shit, a lot. So if you want to know anything, man, just hit me up. I guarantee I'll get back to you. I'll help you out. I'll do a whole video on it, whatever you want to do. Transmissions, engines, body, anything. You don't have to have some document showing your extent of education. Like me, I have absolutely no schooling. I have a badge in business administration. I don't even use it. Like, you get business administration, then you have to go further. Fuck that. I didn't want to, so I felt like doing what I love to do, and that's to be outside working at my own pace. No boss. Nobody tell me what to do, period. So I get my own money on my own time. That's how I feel like I can make it, because I'm not good with working with people, man. Different attitudes, different personalities. You can't joke with everybody. Everybody can't joke with you. So, you know, it's just to avoid all the blase. I just do it by myself, for myself. If you want to get out there, this is the best way to do it. Watch me. If you need some help, watch me or other YouTube videos. Yeah, anyway, we teach you everything. Subscribe, man. Subscribe. I will not lead you in the wrong direction. You will not be disappointed. You subscribe. You hit me up. If you need to know anything car related, just hit me up. I will do a whole video and dedicate it to you. I guarantee it.